Hello friends, welcome to another video which is route summarization. So route summarization in Ospf, you configure with we configure the source area and the area that you want to send the summarization. So it is not like IP summary address like EHRB or IP summary address RIP. This one is just like it uses a command called like inter area area range command. So that means like you configure the summary for area. So for example, if you wanna summarize, for example, several network on R1 to R10 to area 10, you will just summarize it using the ABR. You cannot summarize on R1. You have to summarize all the time. You summarize on R2. So summarization will come. I will show you how it works, but just I want you to understand. So always it's done on ABR. For example, now if I am here in R1, I have this three. Let me just look for. I look back for address 200 1.0.1. So now I have that one. Let me go to Ospf and advertise this network 0.0 area 0. Okay, so now I have these networks, these 4 networks. So I want to summarize these 4 networks, but you cannot summarize within the area. So you have to summarize from one area to another area. So now I want to summarize it. I want to go to router. Let me just check if I have this one, IP route Ospf on the ABR. Show IP route Ospf. These are ABR. This is this router ABR, and I have these networks. So I want to summarize him. So what I will do, I want to summarize to on ABR. I cannot summarize in here because they are connected on R1, but ABR is the one who is done summarization. Ospf 1. The command is area and then area range, area 0 or area 1, or whichever area you are going from, or you are summarizing from. So now in this case, this in area 0, because this network is advertised in area 0. As I showed you, they are all in area 0, and the other one is we're here. They are all in area 0. So now when they are we are leaving, we are summarizing from area 0. So area 0, the command is range, and then if you give a question mark, you see ABC add IP address. So the command will be, for example, my 200 network command will be 0.0, then 255.255.252.0. That will be the command. So now if I go to R5, if I say show IP route Oh, before, let me delete it. So I want to show you if I have a detailed information of this. And now if I go to R5, show IB route Ospf, we have these networks. And can we ping? Yes, we can ping. Yes. And then if I will summarize it so they can become one. So now if I go to our, that is a summarize area 0 range. The area, I mean any area you are going from, you just put the number here. If it is area 2, if it is area 10, if it is area 15, whatever. And then range command it is needed, and then the IP address, the network that you want to summarize it. So if I go to R5 now, I can still reach, but I should have only one entry, and that is the entry that I have. And that is the entry that I have before I had it, these entries, this entry. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 4 entry. And I hope it has been informative for you, and I would like to see you on the next lecture.